the perfect date with ya. Wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, then spend my life with ya. Alright, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, so today I did this beautiful look. I don't know what this video is called. I think this is when you mimic, you do the same thing somebody else does. Basically, one of those videos when you're copying somebody else's makeup look. And today I copied Briana Marie's makeup look. I love her. Like, she's one of my favorite YouTubers out there. I love looking at her videos. She's actually one of the reasons why I wanted to start doing makeup. And she's just an outgoing person in general. You guys should follow her, subscribe to her channel, look her up, because you guys will see she's done so many looks that I want to do. But this one, the reason I did this look is because I had most of the makeup that she has on this video that I'm gonna do today. So that's why I did this look. This video I had most of the palettes and everything that she has. I say that it was very fun to do this. I like doing this, and I've seen so many videos like this, and it's funny to see people try to do the way other people do their makeup, because we do our makeup different in a way, not a lot different, but she does, like, she put the powder on her face for the concealer, and I already conceal and contour. I wait till after I do the cream version, and then I put the powder on, but she does her way first. I actually like her way, and the way she uses her brushes. I use my brushes different than how she used her brushes, but I actually like the way that she used the brushes and stuff. Learn different ways to do stuff other than your own. But like I said, she's one of my favorite YouTubers, and I've been following her. She's really, I'm not gonna lie, she's one of the reasons I like doing makeup. You do the best cut creases out there, not gonna lie. And she has like hooded eyes like me, or I have hooded eyes like her. And as you guys can see, I have to go above my crease like she does. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of hard to do this video. Basically having to get all the makeup that she has, having to put that on this table, having to look at the video while doing the video. I was just like, oh my gosh. Having to stop her video, probably go back to see what she used, which brush she used. Briana, keep doing what you do. You guys should go look at her video, her channel, check it out. So that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start.
We're gonna jump right into it. I took my Kat Von D Lock and Tattoo full coverage concealer to.
Okay, so she done went into her Kat Von D concealer. I got most of her products, so I'm gonna just use what I got. I don't have all of her products, but I got some. Well, most of the video will be some of the products that she got. So she using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer and the Concealer Buffer Brush from Zoeva. This is moving fast, so I gotta like hurry up. She using the black Zoeva brush, and I'm using the pink one, but it's the same. I really do love watching her videos because she's just so creative with her stuff. I love anybody that steps out their comfort zone a lot, and I like that because I like looking at a lot of different colors. I'm tired of seeing neutrals, and she uses a lot of different colors, which I like a lot. So now she's going into her Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set it. Okay, y'all, she's using her Real Technique sponge. Mine's in my bathroom, and I don't feel like getting up, so I'm just gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna go ahead and set it.
Powder. And then now on to the eyes. Like, oh my god, I am so excited for this palette, y'all. This is the Harry 2 palette.
Y'all see my creases down here.
I love the Zulu palette, but this one has to be my
So
favorite. So it comes this one first, and then it comes the Zulu palette. Or both of them at the top. But I took that light shade in the Sahara 2 palette
and putting that on
and put that on my brow bone. Now this shade looks like it is.
This is slick, giving me like anxiety. Because when you gotta copy somebody, it's like you want it to be how theirs look, and try to make everything come out like how that person does. And it is kind of hard because we have different face shapes, but I hope it come out right. I'm not just saying like I do look up to other YouTubers, but I just like her because of how colorful she is. She's moving too quickly. She went into that Morphe M504
and then,
brush.
Of course, I got the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I know you saw me with the 34O.
It's coming out brighter than mine.
This one is fluffy
573
to the point
right
where it's
here.
going to blend it out. But
shade.
it's still going to have more color on your lid. And then the next brush that I'm going into now, I'm taking that. I don't know, these shades that she come up with in this palette, oh my god, are like so dreamy. Like, I love warm shades. Like, this is so, like, after I put that shade down, I don't have the names of the shades, so I'll probably either list them on the side of the video or somewhere in the description bar. But I am also going to go back in with my Morphe M504 to blend out the edges.
Now she's going to
amazing. These brushes are very affordable, and I just love this set. Like, it is so amazing. So the next brush that I'm going to go in with is my
this is how you actually see your crease.
Get it right, girl. I'm going to go with my Morphe M441 brush, and that brush is like more precise. It's fluffy, but it's kind of dense at the same time to get right in that crease. No, my M441, I went back into my M570.
I'm gonna do that right now.
Previously
on this side
tutorial, and I just took the edges and took the same brushes that I used to blend the other two. I didn't go back in with the fluffiest. I went in with my Wet n Wild
this Ruby Kisses
liner
looks
to make
the
that
same kind
fierce line. And
she went into her Becca primer. Oh, and after the Becca, she put on her lashes. So I'm putting on this Becca primer. Okay, guys, so we do not have the same eyelashes. So now we're going into the.
I'm just gonna go so dermatologist because
concealer.
Some days it look good.
To that orange shade. She went to another type of foundation, but I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I'm gonna use this on a Morphe M439 brush. She's using ColourPop filler, so I'm gonna use the NARS.
I went in correcting my face, and I went in with my.
Since she went in with the lighter one, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D that I used earlier. Beauty blender.
Yeah, I think that's what it was.
I ain't got my blender.
No, it's not. And good. They are for dark.
Using the Laura Mercier
Espresso,
medium deep powder.
And then I took my Morphe.
She went into her the Briana Fenty Beauty stick contour, and I'm gonna use the ColourPop one because I don't have hers. She took her Morphe E47 brush to blend out the contour for the nose. Now she's going to the Morphe E8 brush to blend out the rest of it. Now she's going into her MAC
from everything
Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm dark.
I took my powder in dark
E41 brush.
My Mineralized Skin Finish, and
I don't have that bronzer, so I'm gonna be using the Milani bronzer.
And bronze up the face, and I bronze up the face.
Here are the brushes.
R2 brush.
Just use this for something else. Morphe R2 brush.
All type of brushes in
her Black Radiance kit.
Chiseled, more concentrated.
We're gonna take this 437 brush. Going into this Black Radiance contour shade. I don't have that Fenty Beauty highlighter stick either.
I'm gonna take my.
So for that, I'm gonna be using
highlighter stick.
It's kind of like a cinnamon shade.
Cinnamon.
Now she's going into her Posh Cosmetics one. I don't have that either.
My Poshmetics.
So I'm gonna be using this again with this brush, the 510 brush. I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm using the Morphe 530 brush. Since she used the peach kind of shade, I'm gonna be using this shade right here. So she went into some setting spray. I'm using the Mario Badescu because I don't have that setting spray that she's using. And this is rose water, just like hers was. Going in, I don't have that
And I just spray my face
white base that she's using, so I'm going to use this Ofra kit like I always use, and I'm going to be using that white base right there.
White paint.
So she's going into this blue shade right here, M432. She's going back into that burgundy shade from the Saharian palette. Now she's taking a Morphe E36 brush to smoke this out. Yippee! Brow bone. She's gonna put that on the inner corner. It again. We're gonna put this on the inner tear. Using the same lip pencil she's using, but this is one that I always use, the brand, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips like her. For the lining flirt, I'm using a matte LA Girls, and this is a matte one. This is not like a glossy one. Okay, so I went and got me some lip gloss because hers is glossy. This is the finished look. I tried as best as I could. I actually enjoyed doing this video. I say that I did a 8 out of 10. You guys should comment what you guys think I did. Do you think it looks the same or a little different? So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. I do all types of things. I do makeup, I do challenges, I'm gonna do pranks. I just do anything that's fun, rather.
Let me know.
Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.